The biggest problem about investing is lack of discipline. While the common sense is to invest consistently over the long term, in reality, we don't invest as consistently as we should. Sometimes we try to time the market, other times we forgot to invest, or maybe we are just too busy to invest. Also don't know so busy doing what. Thankfully, there are a lot of brokers out there that helps you automatically dollar cost average into the market periodically. So in this video, I'll be comparing the brokers to see which is the best broker to do your auto DCA. I'll be looking at the fees, the stuff that you can DCA in, and the minimum investment. Alright, let's jump right in. For this comparison, I'll be looking at only the brokers that has auto DCA, namely Interactive Brokers, Webull, Tiger Brokers, uSmart, Syfe Trade, POEMS Share Builders Plan, and POEMS Recurring Plan, FSMOne Regular Savings Plan, DBS or POSB Invest Saver, and OCBC Blue Chip Investment Plan. Now, obviously, there are a lot more platforms that have auto DCA, like Endowers, Syfe, and StashAway, but I won't be including them because all of them charge a recurring fee based on your portfolio size, while the brokers that I'm showing here only charge a one-time fee, which is a lot cheaper to use. Alright, I will now go through each of the platforms so that you can understand them better, starting with Interactive Brokers. So IBKR recently started offering their recurring investment feature. It lets you auto-invest into US and Europe stocks and ETFs that support fractional shares. You can start with as little as $1, and the interval ranges anywhere from daily all the way to annually. Then, if you want to, you can also end the DCA on a date or after a number of installments. The one downside of IBKR recurring investment is that it's using a fixed pricing structure, which means that it's charging a minimum of $1 instead of the usual minimum 35 cents. So it's slightly more expensive. Next, Webull will also be launching their regular savings plan on the 29th of May. You can invest with as little as $5, or if you are using electronic direct debit authorization, the minimum is 10 SGD. Currently, it supports US stocks, US ETFs, and SGD and USD mutual funds. As for the fees, right now, Webull is still offering its $0 commission-free trades, but it will go up to 0.025% fee with a minimum of 50 cents USD per trade from 30th September 2023 onwards. Next, Tiger Brokers. Tiger Brokers also offers auto investment for US stocks and ETFs. You can start with as little as $1, and you can choose a frequency anywhere from a day to a month. As for the pricing, if you are buying less than one share, they will charge a 1% fee up to $1. Or if you are buying one share or more, they will charge 1 cent per share with a minimum of $1.99. Next, uSmart. uSmart's auto invest feature is called Smart Plan. The unique thing about uSmart is that it not only offers auto DCA for US stocks and ETFs, it's also available for Singapore stocks and ETFs, something that not many other brokers have. The minimum investment starts at $100, which is slightly higher than most brokers. As for the fees, for the US market, they charge 0.9 cents per share, minimum $1.88. And for the Singapore market, they charge 0.06% fee with a minimum of $2.88. Quick pause. If you still have not signed up to Trust Bank yet, here are 3 reasons to do so. And no, it's not about the 21% savings on their card and 2.5% interest on their savings account. Those are pretty meh. Instead, it's these 3 things. 1, they have some amazing deals every now and then, like a 10% discount off Agoda bookings, 20% off ASICS items, or a 50% discount for a Burger King combo. 2, the Trust card doesn't charge any foreign transaction fee, which means this is a super good card to use for your overseas spends and ATM withdrawals. And third, sign up rewards. If you sign up with my code, you will earn $10 worth of NTUC Fair Price voucher and another $25 Fair Price voucher when you spend with the Trust card. This deal ends on 31st May. So chop sign up if you still have not done so already. With that being said, let's get back to the video. Next, Syfe Trade. Syfe Trade recurring buy lets you buy US stocks and ETFs for as low as $1. But the most unique thing about Syfe is the trading fee. After the promo period, you will get 2 free trades per month. Anything after that is a flat $1.49 per trade. So if you are only investing once or twice a month, Syfe Trade is totally free to use. Moving on, I will talk about Poem's Share Builders Plan and Poem's Recurring Plan at the same time because they are both offered by the same broker. There are two differences between the two of them, the fees and the products that you can trade on. Poem's Share Builders Plan only lets you trade 50 plus Singapore stocks and ETFs, so it's quite limited, while Poem's Recurring Plan lets you trade all of US, Hong Kong and Singapore stocks and ETFs. As for the fees, Poem's Share Builders Plan charges a recurring fee which starts at $1 a month, while Poem's Recurring Plan charges a one-time fee whenever you trade. So Poem's Recurring Plan is definitely a lot cheaper to use, though there's additional fees like 1% dividend charge, $10 corporate actions fee, $15 per quarter account maintenance fee, which can be waived if there's at least one trade per quarter, and foreign share custody fee of $2 per quarter per month, which can also be waived with 2 trades per quarter. Next, FSMOne Regular Savings Plan. This plan only lets you buy 120 plus ETFs from US, Hong Kong and Singapore. However, the unique thing about them is that they are also offering over 1,700 unit trusts from 56 fund managers. For ETFs, you can start with as little as $50 a month, and for unit trust is $100 a month. For ETFs, FSMOne charges 0.08% fee with a minimum of $1 or $5 depending on the market, and for unit trust, it will be 0.05% or 0.0875% fee per quarter, depending on what you bought. Next, DBS or POSB Invest Saver. This plan only lets you trade 4 Singapore ETFs, namely Nikko M Singapore STI ETF, 2 bond ETFs, and the Nikko M Straits Trading Asia S-Japan REIT ETF. Sibei long names, yeah. Besides that, you can buy 31 funds under this plan. So their offerings are a little limited as compared to others. But one good thing is that if you use them, you will qualify for bonus interest in DBS multiplier for the first 12 months every time you buy a fund. The minimum investment starts at $100 and there's a 0.5% or 0.82% fee depending on what you buy. Lastly, OCBC Blue Chip Investment Plan. As the name suggests, under this plan, you can only trade 21 Singapore blue chips and ETFs. Minimum investment starts at $100. As for the fee, if you are below 30 years old, the fee will be 0.88%. But if you are 30 years old and older, it will be a 0.3% fee with a minimum of $5. So those are the platforms which support Auto DCA. Now comes the fun part, comparing the best platform for each market. First up, which is the best platform for the US market? Right now, the winner will definitely be Webull as they offer $0 commission-free trades, but they will start charging a 0.025% fee from 30th September onwards. So when that happens, which is the best broker to use? If you are trading 2 times or less every month, the winner will be Syfe Trade as they offer 2 free trades every month. But what if you are trading more than 2 times a month? In that case, if you are trading less than 4,000 USD per trade, the winner will be Webull as their minimum fee only starts at 50 cents USD per trade. But if you are trading more than $4,000 per trade, the winner will be Interactive Brokers as their minimum fee is just 1 USD per trade. Next, which is the best platform for the Singapore market? For stocks, the winner would be uSmart as their fee starts at $2.88 and there's no additional fees. For ETFs, the cheapest broker is FSMOne Regular Savings Plan, which only charges 0.08% fee with a minimum of $1. But just take note, even though they don't have additional charges, SGX may still charge additional fees for corporate action and dividend handling. But if you don't want to use FSMOne, the next cheapest broker is uSmart again. Finally, which is the best platform for the Hong Kong market? There are only 2 brokers that offer the Hong Kong market, but the winner will definitely be FSMOne Regular Savings Plan as they charge a much lower $5 fee and they don't charge any extra fees like dividend handling charge or corporate actions, though Take note, the Hong Kong Stock Exchange may still charge some fees for this. So that was a quick comparison of all the brokers that let you do auto DCA. If you want to sign up to any of them, you can just sign up with my links down in the description below. Or if you have any questions, you can also join my fast-growing Telegram group to ask any questions that you may have. Like, share and subscribe as I'll be posting new videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday.